Hi, in this video I'll be showing you how to allocate your transactions. So I'll go to my banking cash accounts. I've got receipts. Remember in the last video we created a sales invoice for TPM Logistics. So let's just assume that this money is coming from TPM Logistics. Don't mind about the dates. So you just come and say edit accounts receivable TPM Logistics, then you choose the specific invoice and then you update. If you come to your customers, you'll see that the amount receivable is reduced. Just to have a look at it, this is how it's going to be. So this helps you to keep track of who is owing you. So it's important to allocate your transactions. So let's say that there is a job that you did, but you didn't create, number one, an invoice for that person. So you can just quickly, let's say for gift, I just did a quick job for him. He was okay with not receiving an invoice. What you must do is either you go to the customers and create gift, then create the invoice, or you can just come to the transaction, click edit. Remember, this is money that you have received. You come and choose sales, and this money will automatically go to your sales. So if you want to see it, you come to your summary, click on it. That's where our money is, this 1.2. Another scenario is you have received a refund. Let's assume this is our refund, 1.3, and you don't have an account for refunds. So you come to settings, charts of accounts, new account. So refund, it's categorized as other income. If you want to create codes, it's up to you. And the group here, it's important, otherwise it will not show properly under your summary. So this is an income. I'll create it now here. If you want your accounts to be in a certain order, you come and click here. I prefer sales to be on top, and then interest or other income, the interest received to be the last one. So you go back to your bank. This is my refund. Click edit. Choose, I'll type in other income. Go and click summary. It will be laid out like this. So this also applies to payments. You go to your payments. Let's say that this one was for advertising. So I'll click edit, choose advertising. If you don't have that specific account, again, you go and create that account. So if I come to summary, I'll say my advertising is there. So let's say that you want to see how your business has been performing monthly. You have allocated all your transactions. Here it's clear. So you come to your reports, profit and loss statement, new report. So on title, you leave it as it is. My description, I'll say monthly. P and L. From, I'll choose the date that I want to decide. So since you said monthly, I'll keep it as monthly. Then you come and say 05, or you write May, end 2025. So remember, we say that it's monthly. You click here, or you add your comparative column. Then I'll choose my next month is June. All right, cell 6. And accounting method, leave it as it is, rounding off. If you want it not to be rounded off, you leave it. If you want it to be rounded on, I want to see it as it is, so I will choose. If you have account codes, if you want it to be seen, you can just click here. If you don't want to include on your summary all the accounts that do not have any amount, you come and click here. So this is what I want. I don't want to see any account that does not have anything. So I'll say create. So this is how it's looking. So I can see that in the month of May, I made 18,600. My expenses were 1.7. I made a net profit of 11,900. Business is good. So this also helps you to channel your efforts in your revenue. Like if you know that maybe this month my sales has been reducing, so what can you do? Maybe you can reduce expenses, maybe you can do more of advertising. So this profit and loss statement just gives you an overview of what has been happening. If you want it to be seen weekly, it's up to you, but remember that you also need to update your bank, because these days most of the transactions are done on the accounts. It's online, so please update your bank. So that's it for this. Thank you.